In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. First of all, open Messages app and tap on one of your chats. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, just click on the photo that you wish to add, or select the gallery section and select it from here. Then tap on Done. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!